Hey, this is Jamie at Useful Knowledge. Well, I'm back in my kitchen and I've ran into a problem with my gas cooktop. Now, many of you will remember this gas cooktop. I installed it 5 years ago, and there's a video out there on how to install a gas cooktop. What's been going on over the past couple of weeks is on two of my eyes, the igniters just keep trying to ignite. It's very annoying. So what I did is I did some internet searches. Nothing really told me what to look for. So I just went investigating and dug down into what I thought the problem might be, and I found the solution. I've already fixed one of them, but I'm going to show you what this one's doing and show you what to look for first. You should do this first before you go out and spend any money, because this is a free, quick, and easy fix. Okay, let me show you what's going on. Obviously that's very annoying, and it will do it several times. And I'm talking several times. As long as I'm cooking, it will keep doing it. Okay, so we're going to turn this off. I'm going to open this up, this burner up, and we're going to show you how to fix it. Okay, I'm going to take this apart. It's cooled off. Alright, so here's your main nozzle or orifice. You can see that down in there. I had no issues with that, and you can hear it. It's blowing fine, no problem. So I really couldn't figure out what was going on until I saw this. There is another small orifice or nozzle right there. Okay, and I just thought it was a nut to something, because what had happened, it looked like just over time it had either clogged up or some stuff had spilled down in here and clogged it up. All right, I couldn't get even the tiniest drill bit I had, which was a 1/16. I couldn't get it in there, okay, on this other one. So I actually pulled a piece of wire out of a wire brush, and that's what I used to clear that other one out. So I'm going to try that on this. Yep, there it goes. Okay, so I don't know if that's going to show up on the camera, but that is now open again. Just put just a little pressure on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to try this out and see if that helped, see if that fixed it. Okay, that fixed it. It's not trying to keep igniting. So I'm going to move the camera around and I'm going to show you why it kept trying to ignite. Okay, so I'm going to fire this burner back up. So look right at the igniter there. There's a flame coming out at 90 degrees. Okay, so the orifice that we cleaned out, that seems to be one of the sole purposes of that orifice, is that flame right there. And that's gonna basically tell the igniter, hey, the burner is running, you don't have to keep trying to ignite. This is a GE cooktop. If you have another brand of cooktop, just see what's up under your burner before you go spend money, because this is a quick and free fix. So we hope you gain some useful knowledge on what to look for first if you have problems with your igniter on your gas cooktop. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.